Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the extremely creepy looking doll from Poppy. So here's my full pencil sketch, sped up, and then right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this creepy looking doll, and to begin we're just gonna draw in the eyes first, and we're gonna draw in the top shape right here, just two little curves or two big curves. So we're just gonna draw two arcs. Okay, once you have that, just kind of close it off. You can round it out a little bit on the bottom. Alright, and then from here we're going to draw in the creepy eyes in the middle. So right in here, just draw one circle. Almost touching the sides, but not quite. And we'll shade it in to make it nice and creepy. Alright, and then once we have this, just draw one more circle. So it's almost like an outline on the inside. And I'll just shade around it. So it's gonna look like a little ring. Alright, and then in the center, one circle again, and let me fill that in. So now it looks like we have a little white ring inside, and that's gonna give us the eye shape. And let's make it a little bit creepier, add in just a few of these eyelashes right here. Alright, so once you have this, we're gonna come down and draw in the shape of the face. So just come out to the side from the eye. You can make two little points. Let's just draw a little bracket like this first. Come down, and then now we're gonna come across and just round everything off. And I know this part's a little bit tricky. It's always tricky to freehand this kind of shapes. So just round it out. It's a little bit flatter on the bottom. Okay, so since we have this, let's just go ahead and finish up the lip. So the lip, we'll keep it simple. Just come to the middle of this. I'm just gonna add one line across. On the top right here, one curve. And then on the bottom, one more. That's gonna give us the lip shape. Right, so we're just gonna keep it simple. All right, so once you have this, let's go ahead and, well, actually we can draw in the ears first. So let's come right here on the side. Let's come out. And then one little curve right here. We're gonna start in the middle of this and just go up. That's gonna give us the ear. And then now for the top of the head. So we're basically gonna draw in almost the same shape as this, but we're just gonna go up. So from here, bracket up. I know it's kind of strange. And then we're gonna close off the top. Actually, it looks very creepy just like this, right? All right, but we have to add in the hair. So for the hair, we can come up right here. Just land it right over the eyes. Okay, so from the corner, just go up here. Leave space in the middle. And then now we're gonna draw in the little strand here. Actually, this strand's pretty big, but just come down. And then on this side, we're gonna curve this way, connect to that. And then let's see, we gotta add in the eyebrow, so right over the eyes. And it's gonna be behind the hair. Okay, so it actually looks less creepy with the eyebrows, right? All right, so now we can draw in finish up the hair. So right here, there's a little band right here. And then now for the rest of the hair, this one's big, so it's gonna come all the way down here to the ear. So we're gonna start right here. We'll just curve up, just round it out, come back in, okay, to the ear. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same as long as you have this big loop going out, because it's just hair. Okay, so that's the head. So now let's move on to the body, and the body is quite small because it is a doll, so we'll keep it small. All right, for the neck, just come down and then just close that off first, and then the little tie right here, little bow tie, circle, and then for the wings, just go out like this first on both sides, and then just close it off. All right, and then now for the body, let's see, we'll start right here, just right underneath the top bow tie right there, and then we'll close this off. So this is gonna be the waist, and we can, let's add one section right here. It looks like she's wearing a little apron, so I'm gonna come down here, just round that out. That's gonna be the apron, and let's draw in the dress first, and then we'll draw in the arms. So we'll start right here. We'll just flare this out. Now in between here, just close it off with a wavy line. And since we're down here, let's just go ahead and finish up the legs. So it's really simple. Just come down here. Just draw like 2 little loops like this. And then just close off the bottom. Now we just go up from the corner right here. And then just add one little line here, just close everything off. And let's see, I think there's some details on the dress. So this one will be easy. We'll just draw a wavy line and then just give it some thickness. And I think there's a line here. I think there's a couple of buttons too. So I'm just gonna draw 2. All right, so those are all the little details. I might have missed some, but you can always add in more details if you like. All right, and then for the arms, let's see, there's a little bit of a puff here, kind of like a shoulder pad, so just go out and then come back in. So that's gonna be the armpit right there. And then our arms are gonna be kind of straight. So here's the armpit. So I'm just gonna come down like this, close it off. And let's just go ahead and draw on this side. That way it'll look a little bit more symmetrical if we draw them at the same time. All right, and then little detail here, just flare it out and then just close it off with a wavy line. All right, and then not much detail on the hands. Let's just go ahead and start on the top, go down, just come down and then just add one little hook. So that's gonna be the finger, and then for the thumb, all right, so just one little hook going this way. So come down, curve in, and then one more hook here for the thumb. And that is it for this creepy looking doll. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.